Yeah, hi there, Dotty. It's Mark at FMAV. Just to let you know that I've done your laser. Yeah, basically, what I found was it was jumping on this CD. I don't know why, why it was doing that. But what I've done is I've replaced the laser, but also I did find another fault on this top spindle. So I'm not sure whether the discs were going in properly on that spindle, so I have changed this top part for you. I've done that for you, so you know that'll get you out of trouble on that. I just replaced it with a used part I've got here, so that's sorted that out. I've had it on test for quite a few hours and I'm not getting any issues or problems with it now, so I will send that back to you today. I'll get that out to you today. So hopefully that's cured the problem, and you shouldn't have any errors on it. So I'm just gonna turn it up and go up in the tracks there. So it's track 8. So track 9. So it's not jumping or anything like that. It was jumping before for definite. So yeah, but anyway, that's all sorted for you. That being the post today. So I hope this has fixed the problem. If you can please put this in as soon as you can, just to make sure that everything's working right. That'd be great. So I appreciate that. I'm very sorry for the hassle there. Thank you very much, and yeah, hopefully this has sorted it. Thank you.